It's Gary next.
Okay.
Hey, it's Gary Nexted again, and I'm sitting here at the Thanksgiving table, and I've got the bird here. I'm picking the bird up and putting it on my cutting board, and then I'm going to go down here and cut the string off that I used to hold the wings in place while I rotisseried it. So there's the string. So we now have a stringless turkey. Okay? Now, you want to come over here, Michelle? You see here? And right here, there's a little flap of skin that we used to hold the legs in. And so now we've cut that loose. And if you see here, we're going to come down through here, come down through here, and off comes the thigh. There's a thigh. And then that's a little bit big, so I'm going to come down through here. Now, drumstick, a little bit of meat, the spare meat, the thigh. Notice no bleeding in there. Looks like we got the turkey done. One wing and another wing, or the other section of the wing. There we go. So over here again. And off comes the thigh. Come on here. Well, there's the drumstick. I'm having a little problem. There's the thigh separated. Okay. There's the other thigh. Here is...
At the back.
Huh?
At the back.
There's the back. I'll just put that down there for now. Some nice brown meat there. And I've got to take off part of the wing.
Look.
The other part of the wing. Now, all that's left here is the breast and part of the back. And so what I'm going to do here is we'll take off the ribs.
This isn't how they do it on TV. You know, when you sit at the dinner table and you show them carving the breast.
You don't like the way I'm doing it? Would you like to do it? Okay. So I've taken out the rib section, and I'm taking the ribs out on this side too. Be careful doing that with a Chinese cleaver. Okay, now, breast. One side of the breastbone, reach down, and there the breast comes off. See that? And now I'm going to slice it. One breast. And the other breast. Little carcass there. Now, some more skin. And then here, this breast. My camera person is snacking off of the plate. Okay, there we go.
Say goodbye.
Bye.